Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're your hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every weekday, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can find all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues affecting you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is March 5th at the Police and Fire Commission meeting. Our first order of business is a call to order, and I believe the second is the Pledge of Allegiance. You can all rise.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. All right, third order of business is approval of the February 19th, 2025 Police and Fire Commission meeting minutes. Any comments? Any discussion? All right. I'll move to approve the meeting minutes from the February 19th, 2025 meeting.
A second.
Any discussion? All right, all those in favor say aye. Aye. Any opposed? None. Okay. Fourth item of business is the public appearances for non-agenda items. Guests, but for agenda items, I assume? Okay. All right. No other public members online? All right. And then the fifth agenda item is Fire Chief and Emergency Management Director recruitment. So I'll move that pursuant to section 19.185, subsection 1, subsection E, Wisconsin statutes, the commission move into closed session for the purpose of considering employment, promotion, or compensation and performance evaluation of any public employee over which the governmental body has jurisdiction or exercises responsibility, more specifically to discuss the Fire Chief and Emergency Management Director candidates and determine who to bring in as finalists for March 6th, 2025.
Second.
Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? None? All right, we are in closed session. Well, we are back from closed session and moving to agenda item 5B. Any action from our closed session?
I will move that we advance 3 finalists to proceed to day 2 of our Fire Chief and Emergency Management Director recruitment process.
I second.
Any discussion? No. All right, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? None. Thank you very much to all the participants in the process. It's kind of government at work at best in a representative democracy, which is kind of cool to see. So all the panelists, all the individuals who reviewed the applications, those who did double duty, thank you to everyone who made the process part of it. And then tomorrow we have a public opportunity. So maybe Sarah, do you want to tell us a little bit about the plans for tomorrow as part of the Agenda 6, the announcements?
Yeah, absolutely. So tomorrow we have PFC interviews. There'll be 1-hour interviews with the PFC starting at 8 a.m. And then we're gonna have some city tours for the finalists. And then we'll close the evening at 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. at Fire Station 1, public reception. We'll kind of start out with an intro from from each of the candidates. Then we'll have some standard questions for them, and then we'll have a meet and greet mingle for about 30 minutes, and then we'll have a closing. So strict timeline, 6:30 to 8:30. We have 2 interpreters, Spanish interpreters on site. So if there's anyone that's Spanish speaking only, we'll be able to help. Transportation is available if anyone needs transportation. So just please email pfc@fitchburgwi.gov, or you can call 608-270-4211.
All right. Any other announcements? Fair enough. Then we'll move to agenda item 7.
Move adjournment.
Second.
Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? None. All right, we are adjourned. Thank you.